Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching and sharing with you guys how to create a website in 2026 with AI. Now, listen, we could never do what we're doing right now today as fast as what we could have done a year ago, 2 years ago, right? This is life-changing stuff, you guys. So the model that I'm going to be using is called a model called Lovable. And you guys know I'm a computer science major, and I just wanted to make sure that you guys get the proper prompt, the proper inputting to make your website the best website possible. So, right, I like to use ChatGPT as my collaborator partner. So I'll go inside ChatGPT right here, as you guys can see it from my screen. I'm go ahead and share that with you guys. All right, now we're here on the ChatGPT screen where it says ask anything, right? And for me, I'm thinking about using a website for my fitness business, right? I never had a website for my fitness business, so I'm going to go ahead and create a prompt for that right now. Before I create that prompt, I always make sure that my chat GPT, which is already is every single day, in a mode called genius mode, right? Acting as the 0.01% of the smartest, intuitive, reaching for every single type of knowledge and know-how of what it can be, right? So that way it give me the best type of prompt and give me the best type of outputs for making a website. So right here, we're gonna go into chat GPT, and I always like using the voice option, so I'm gonna go ahead and speak. Create me a fitness page website that allows me to schedule meetings through Calendly and take appointments through text message until I update my actual phone number. And yeah. So you see how I talk to it, guys? I talk to it just like I'm talking to a regular person, right? But the difference is that the genius mode that it's in. So watch how the response comes. Go ahead and click go in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Your prompt, your number one prompt, right? So it's going to go ahead and structure it from top to bottom. It's going to pull from different fitness pages, right? The highest quality, the best fitness pages that are doing good in their niche right now, it's going to pull from that, right? And it's putting it all together. It's putting the headline, the subheader, right? What I'm offering, how it works, about me. I coach people who want strength, clarity, and structure without burnout. This isn't fitness hype. This is about discipline and alignment, right? This is dope. I like this. And look, this is a simple copy and paste build, right? You guys can go ahead and try out that same exact prompt inside your chat GPT, or even just say like, hey, create me a prompt for so and so, whatever type of website you have. We're going to do this together. This is called a workshop live. This is going to be interactive, right? So check this out. I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen from chat GPT to Lovable right here. Awesome. So we're gonna go here, click and paste, and we're gonna let us do its thing, y'all. All right, so check this out. On the left side, right here, we have it thinking. It's going to be thinking. It's doing all the coding, all the scheduling. It's doing all the setup and know-how for you, right? And on the right side, this is the preview side. Once it starts getting a little bit further in its development process, right, it will come together on this side, and we're gonna see exactly how it looks, right? So the cool thing about this is I'm gonna let that go ahead and set up, and I'm gonna just talk over you guys, right? If you guys want to use Lovable, not Calendly. If you guys want to use Lovable, I have a link in the description down below. You guys can click that and get 10 credits. You guys check that out. Get that 10 credits. All right. You guys get 10 credits. I get 10 credits. Help you, help me, right? I'll work on me if you work on you. Understand? So with that being said, you guys, like, this is the future. This is the future of website development. This is the future of building businesses. Understand? Like, the digital space is infinite. All the land is already bought up on earth, right? Where we can go to continue to build, right, opportunities, right, for people that don't have an opportunity to work, maybe something online, right? What is a problem that you could probably solve, right? What is that? You can turn that into a website just by talking. Like, if you can talk about it, if you can say it, it's going to create that website for you, right? So I love this, right? I'm actually on track to continue to make 100 websites as soon as possible, helping out businesses, right? Because my other website, let me see if I can pull this up for you guys. While that's working and loading, yes, right here. We can go back to the dashboard and go to projects. These are all my projects right here, all right? This one is called Sisters Hair Braiding, the place where I go get my hair done, you guys, right? She doesn't have a website at all, and I came to her place just yesterday and I proposed this website to her, and when you look at this website, it's like, oh my gosh, like from having nothing to having something. Obviously, when we went, she didn't, her prices and these prices weren't a match, but I'm going back there today to go close this deal. But look at this, you guys. Look how beautiful this hair business is. From actually not having a website to actually having something fully functional, putting your phone number, putting your contact so you can book appointments, right? So the business owners can actually make money, right? Let's see if our website's done. But that's just one of the projects, And we got a whole bunch of projects coming, you guys, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to serve you guys at the highest level possible in this new world, this new era of abundance, right? I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. And look at this. What? Build discipline, transform your body. One-on-one coaching designed for busy professionals who want real results, no gimmicks, just discipline and consist. What? Book a free fitness call. Text train to get started. What? Look at this, you guys. Look at this. One-on-one fitness, mindset, discipline, and coaching, text-based. Y'all, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my photo here, actually. And look, you guys can go ahead and do that, right? So if I wanted to put my photo there, right, I'm going to go ahead and attach. Oh, I need to connect my storage. But you get the point. You put your photo there. You tell Lovable, put my photo where it says your coach photo, question mark. It's going to do that for you. This is the future, you guys. Every single person can be an engineer. Every single person can be their own creator, right? Their own self in the digital space, right? What do you want to create? What do you want to solve? What is a problem that you can solve that can make people's lives better, right? For me over here, right, I hope that you get some type of clarity and peace for the time that we're living in, how abundant it is. I also hope that you work on your breathing, your health, and your fitness, right? I'm gonna go ahead and publish this, right, because it only took one prompt and it's done, right? I'm obviously gonna go back in, put my contact number, put my business email, right? I'm gonna do all that stuff. But y'all, a website like this back in the day would have took 6 to 7 months and X amount of money. And we did this at light speed. At light speed, you guys. Right? We're not at light speed, but we're moving at the speed of AI, which is quick, fast. I did this less than 5 minutes. I should have timed this. I'm gonna time it short because this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I hope you guys got some value out of that. I'm about to hop on training right now and continue to study and learn and grow and become the best version of myself that I possibly can be, so I can continue to show up powerfully enough to help you guys on your journey, right? I'm not perfect. I don't think anybody is, but we're all a work in progress. So yeah, if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, share this video, and also comment what you're going to create and post your website in the comments. I want to come back and see your websites. I want to celebrate you from this video. All right. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Salute.